What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video we're going to be looking at JASMY, one of my baby altcoins. And so if you like today's video, please leave a like, hit that sub button, and leave a comment where you're tuning in from. Really appreciate it. So sorry about not making the video yesterday. I was pressed for time, had a bunch of people come through the house and do a bunch of repairs, so we're on it today. Okay, so if you didn't know, I will go over the stablecoin dominance chart and a couple other little charts, you know what I'm saying, just for this channel and the subs. Okay, but Jasmine looks good. Jasmine looks healthy. We did have that correction yesterday, right? We had that correction yesterday, and right, it took us below the September open, and so September open is at the 1433 level. We close above that. We close full close. This has to close, and then tomorrow has to have a full body candle. Gosh, that was supposed to be a candle, ladies and gentlemen. I am so sorry for that. We need a full body candle close above, right? And that should get us above the 20-day EMA. Okay, so we really do need to start getting out of this zone. Okay, right now this could be, you know, that's not a 1-2. Right, this could be a 1-2 right through here, just on the daily. Right, little daily, just a 1-2 pumperoni. Right, if we see where we've gone, right, I can even use this as a 1-2. Right, 1-2. We're right at that 0.5. I mean, it's pretty picturesque if you ask me. We came up to the, is this today? Yeah, this is today. Came up just above the 0.5. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave that on there, just on the daily. Just on the daily, right? Just on the daily. So for us to start thinking bullish, we're gonna need to get above this 1474 level. Okay, 1474 level, and then we can start seeing higher prices, right? The real big level is this 1670, 1674 level. I mean, it aligns with the 2618 pretty well. It's the weekly 382. And on a retracement, you really that's your largest area of resistance. So yeah, so if on this next move, I mean, if we can get up to this 2618, that would be really great. That would be really great. Again, this is just an idea. It's not financial advice. Not a financial advisor, but overall, looks healthy. Looks ready to run. That would put it still below the overall pattern that we're trading in, right? Because we do expect to see way higher prices in this. It's just right now with JASMY, it's not really showing the strength that I would like it to relative to other alts, right? Relative to other alts. I mean, the RSI, we are trying to break out of the 4685 level. Okay, trying to break out right there. I do like this. I love how we back tested and we're going, right? That looks really good. That looks really beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. So we have some levels to get above. Let's start getting above this 1474 level closing. That'll take you above the 20-day EMA, and then you can start targeting higher prices. On the 4-hour chart, oh, this looks really good, right? You're using this as a stepping stool now. Using this as a stepping stool, right? So you've used it once, and then now you're actually getting a nice bounce. But now we have to sustain this. We do not want lower highs. We just don't want that, right? We want to get out and get away from this zone. It's time to start moving, right? It's time to start moving, or we're just gonna continue to go down and sideways, right? If we can't get above these levels, which we are right now, this 1434 level was on the retracement 382. It's pretty much aligned with the, I mean, it's I don't even know what decimal that is. That's like 0.001 cent more than the September open. I'm just gonna rock with the September open. So let's close this 4-hour body. This next full 4-hour body above. Wow, that was perfect. All right, close above. No more meandering half and halves. No more doing this where you get a half, right? Right, once you finally closed a full body candle, you looked good. You looked good, but then we just got slammed down. So I'll put up some new levels. I wonder where we got slammed down from exactly. That 1489 level. Does that correlate with anything? 1489 is about that 886, but that was more than likely a higher level just because putting it down from, if you take the measurement from down through here, it'll give you a different level. So overall, yeah, that 1474 is what we're looking to get above. The RSI on the 4-hour looks good. Looks relatively good. We are looking to get a cross on the, if you can see through here, right? The 20-day EMA or the 24-hour EMA, 24-hour candles. It's right below the 50, which is good. Right below, but I mean, make a move. You know what I'm saying? Like, make a move. Like, go for it. Go for it. Use this momentum. Use this momentum. We have a green dot on the Fu Manchu above the 0. Very beautiful. Right, the last time we had a green dot above the 0, right at the 0 mark, that's actually really good. That's what, I mean, a lot of the times you want to accumulate down through here, like these green dots just accumulate. Not financial advice or not financial advice. That's essentially what I do. I pick and choose, okay, is this a green dot? Okay, let's see what we're doing on the daily. But when you get something like this, right at the 0 line with good price action, I mean, that's kind of something like that, kind of. No, that one wasn't it. Something like that. Right at the 0 line. I'm trying to find something like this, like pretty much right at the 0 line. When was this? April. Big April move. So right at the 0 line. I mean, some of them actually are pretty miss, but I'm not comparing apples to apples. That was right at the 0 line. Didn't really do much. So I need to retract that statement then. I kind of want to see what we did in November, what it looked like. Something like this, right? These right along the 0 line. This is where I remember it from. Right along the 0. You see how we're like right on the 0, right on the 0, right on the 0, right on the 0. Right, it's showing that, right? We did go sideways for the time being. We went sideways, but it led to something very big, and so, right, that's what we're hoping for, right? We're hoping to be, going sideways instead of down, and then after sideways we move up. Okay, after sideways we move up. So we do have some levels we do need to get above and stay above. We did eventually, we have got above the September open. I do want to see the 2-hour. Oh man, I'm tired of seeing large wicks to the upside. Really tired of seeing it. I mean, can we just no, don't do that. Let's get back where you belong. Can we just move? Can we just get through and not have to deal with so much bearish momentum? Just liquidate every single bear and send them crying. That'd be so beautiful. I mean, look at this. Look at this 2-hour candle. It's bearish. If you want me to be honest, it's bearish. It's not a good 2-hour candle. So, all right, look at the RSI. It's flat. Momentum. We have no momentum on the Fu Manchu. Right, no momentum on the Fu Manchu. So we got to be better. We got to be better, JASMY. We got to be better. We got to close. I mean, 39 minutes. Try to close it above. Right, try to close above. Let's see. I mean, this looks promising. This looks promising. We can let's look at this. Right, let's look at this. Let's take the impulse. What do we come down to? We tried to come down to the 382. Alright, let's see what we've done with this looks like, I mean, another little B wave, I guess. What did we come up to? Right to that 618. Closing up right above the 236. I mean, you're trying to hold on, right? You're trying to hold on. Where can we see us going down? Because it looks like we just want to already correct. Alright, that's not, I mean, it's just not what you really like to see. You want more continuation and then a correction. You want continuation then a correction. All right, I mean, something, wow, that was beautiful. That was a nice candle. Very nice candle. But something like through here, right? It's not every other candle. I mean, through here it is every other candle. So maybe we're in this zone. Maybe we're in this region right here. Just kind of gonna go up, gonna come back down, go up, come back down. But once you start moving, it's not every other candle, right? It's more green than red, right? 3 green, 1 red, 3 green, 1 red, 2 green, right? Something like that. So yeah, Jasmine just is. It's sorry if I sound frustrated with Jasmine on a green day. It's just because Jasmine has a lot of potential with the chart and the way it looks, and it's continuously um, just disappointing. You know, if I'm just being honest, just disappointing with the price action. It's the one alt that I actually haven't activated any take profits on. I mean, look at this. Look at this candle. How? Like, that's so bearish. That's so ugly. Huge wick. Huge wick. So, yeah, we got to get above that 1445 level for sure. We have to get above that 1445 level without a doubt. Um, it's right at that resistance level. So 1445, somewhere where we can go down. We can come back down to 1427, right? We're going to, right, 1432, closing right below the September open. I mean, this is your 3-wave move. I mean, if it's continuation to the downside, then that's what we're going to see, right? We do have momentum, but on the RSI, we're still below the 64. We haven't really done anything with the movement on the RSI. So, yeah, I see JASMY just kind of stalling out right here. Not too great, right? Not too great. But overall, right? Overall, we're looking all right. We're looking all right. If you want me to be honest, it's not great. It's not bad. It's all right. Talking about JASMY, we're relating this to our stablecoin dominance thesis. I mean, if you look at stablecoin dominance, look at this, right? We have come down almost right to the, I mean, just past the 1272. This is why you're sub to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Right? These marks are drawn out days in advance, weeks in advance, and we've come down. We are trying to close below the 628. I mean, we have some leeway, but I mean, every other day the wicks have been very large, right? So I'm not counting. I'm not even thinking right now that we're in the safe zone. That's just not. It's not. It's not in my mindset right now. Right? This thing needs to stay below here, and then tomorrow, right? So at 5 o'clock when we close, below we need to come up and reject off the 786, then come down. All right, we have to reject the 786 and then come down. Okay, but right now this looks great. We've been tracking this move. We've been pretty accurate on this move. That's why you are sub to the channel, right? That's why you're sub to the channel. And this is correlated with JASMY, right? This is correlated with the entire crypto market. I do believe JASMY is going to run, and I think it's going to be really fast. Like really fast. It's going to catch a lot of people off guard. It's going to get a lot of people to FOMO in, and then it's just going to send it. Right? That's the type of coin JASMY is. It's, you know, in a week or two, it's up 300, 400, 500%, something like that. Right? Not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but that's what I have seen with the coin. That's why I'm invested in the coin. And so this looks good on the RSI. It's even better, right? I was talking about this yesterday, right? But if you don't hold XRP, you didn't see the video, right? Getting down below the 52.23 and just staying below here. Don't even try to bounce. Stay below. Maybe come up at the end of the day and then come back down, right? We had a red dot. We do have a red dot on the 3-day, which is very good. Very, very, very good. I can actually get rid of this because this, right, we broke down below it, got a lower high, so get rid of that and I'll reassess. Yeah, we're down below every single level. We have a red dot up with momentum. The last time we had a red dot up with momentum was up through here, right, and that was June, and we saw a nice decline. Another one that we saw with momentum, right, another one we saw with momentum was in that April, the beginning of that April run, right? April run, red dot, and then we came down, and then we kind of went sideways for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or whatever. But we weren't going up. So that's good. And then, you know, where's November? November was already down low. That's crazy. November was already way down here. So we have a lot of room to go, right? If November is printing a red dot through here and then we're tanking, I mean, look how much room we have now. Look how much room to the downside we have. I mean, we really can get oversold here now. We can really get oversold. This looks good. What about on the weekly? Still green on the weekly. This would be really nice. This is going to be key. We did put this lineup, this purple vertical lineup, just for, you know, need to make a decision before then, and we're right here. I mean, we are on track to see higher prices. I definitely want to see us lose the moving average. Definitely want to see us lose the moving average. We're getting fairly close, and so yeah, so that looks, you know, that looks promising. JASMY on the other hand, right? It's just you're frustrating the crap out of me. We do have a green week right now. We have a green week right now. We have, what is it on the 3-day? I think it's on the 3-day. It's a green dot. No, 2-day. We have a green dot. We had a green dot on the 2-day. We're trying to cross above the RSI. Right, it'll be a double entendre. You get the moving average and you get the 46.85. Okay, so but we need momentum to do that. We can't just do that and then, you know, fall right back down. We need to get above. We have fallen below this, you know, lower trend line. We've fallen below obviously the upper trend line. It's just out of all the coins right now, JASMY does look the weakest with the most potential. If I'm just being straight up, and I'm invested in it, right? Let's go look at JASMY on the MACD. I just, you know, I don't like all the I'm just gonna delete these, right? I don't really care about those. I just want to add the MACD. It's just so many indicators on one. It's kind of difficult for me. Comment if you're the same way. All right. So I can actually, I'm gonna delete this. Okay. There we go. That doesn't delete anything, right? Oh, it does. Weird. Okay, it's okay. I'll redraw it, or I'll just hit undo. Okay, we do have a, if we're looking at price action relative to MACD, okay, we have a cross on the MACD, which is great. Great. We're on the daily, so cross on the MACD. The last time we saw a cross on the MACD with some green momentum was down through here, setting up our 1-2, right? Look at that. That was beautiful. Beautiful. You know, it doesn't look like it actually played out yet. I mean, this could be the 1, 2, 3. I mean, this could be an ugly, super ugly 4. There's so many possibilities. Until we get 5 ways up, we don't know. But this is beautiful, right? We have the cross with the MACD. Let's see the 2 days. Where are we? We're slowing bearish momentum, and this is a delayed indicator, right? So as you see green, it's already been green, right? So you see green, it's already been green, right? You see that like green, we were already green. This is a 2-day chart, so we've already been green for essentially what, 2, 4, 6, 8 days, and then you get a green, right? We've been kind of green and sideways, right? 4 out of the last 5 candles we've been green, and we're still showing some reddish, you know, bearish momentum, but it's slowing, right? It's slowing, which is really nice. That means the 3 days not going to be close, though. 3 days not going to be close yet. Whoa, it's actually closer than I thought. Way closer than I thought. Okay, that's good. I thought it was going to be further away, if I'm being honest. I thought it was still going to be red, like a dark red. This is really nice, though. This is really nice. Same thing with this. I mean, you're already moving up, and then it started to get green, right? And then you were green, and then you're already moving down. So it's a little bit delayed, right? A little bit delayed. What about on the 12-hour? See, this is something that we need work on. We definitely need work on all of this. We need work on it. Definitely need to hide this stuff. I'll just check the 12-hour out for the MACD as well. Yeah, I mean, we crossed up, but we haven't done anything yet. We are building momentum. Does that mean we have to come back down again? Something like this right here, over here. All right, you see how you kind of built up momentum, got up close to the zero, and then built some bearish momentum, then went. All right, then went. But in order to do something like this, we need to move. Right? This just is not enough. I mean, let's apples to apples. Let's be real. Is that the same as that? No, it's not even close. Right? It's not even close. Not even close. You need a big setup so when you are oscillating down, you can actually build something up. Right? If you're just right here, by the time you do any kind of oscillating, you're already taking this out and it invalidates your 1-2. So yeah, JASMY right now is just really frustrating me with the fact that, you know, a lot of other coins, I mean, almost everything else looks better than JASMY right now. Like the structure looks good, the setups look good, but the price action doesn't look good. If I'm being honest, just doesn't look. It doesn't look like it wants to get out of here. And JASMY, I mean, you're at 713 million market cap. You're under $1 billion. It's a small. It's not a large crypto. It's not. It doesn't take, billions of dollars to $50 billion for it to go up in price like crazy. It just doesn't. It's not. It's not a coin that requires a lot of heavy work by the market makers. I just think it's being suppressed like crazy right now and shorted like crazy by market makers and hedge funds and billionaires and trillionaires. So overall, yeah, we're still looking for some more momentum. We're not out of the woods yet. We don't have 5 waves up. We haven't closed a full body candle above the September open, right? That's not even a full body candle, and this is 12 hour. I mean, that is a full body candle, but on the daily, we have not closed a full body candle in an uptrend since July 13th. Right, and then we actually started moving. Right, so yeah, so that's where we're at for JASMY. I give it to you straight. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. JASMY right now, out of the 4 altcoins I'm holding, is the weakest, with some of the highest potential. But I just got to call it like I see it. We have the levels, so write those down. Keep those in your brain. Not a financial advice or not financial advice, but once those levels start to get hit, we'll look to the upside. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.